mind opening the blinds?
Whew, I'm practically wilting here.
Good morning, George. Looks like you've got some spots. I wish you could tell me what you need.
I'm parched. Just a hint of humidity, please. I am dewy and powerful. Maybe a little shade would be nice.
Give me some rays, and I'll be the happiest green
That crispy. Can we dial it down just a
I'm
notch?
thirsty. Sunshine. I'm absolutely beaming.